Okay, so that was a complete fail, but I just wanted to show you guys before I redo this the way how I usually do my sleek back, how my hair in the front is still laid. Wait, sorry, that's my lunch. That was pizza. But anyways, let me hop into the shower. So basically what I do, I mold my hair, I get it ready in the shower, and when I come out, all I have to do is put the gel on top. Bada bing, bada boom, ready to go. So I'm gonna do that, redo this video for you guys. I wanted to make sure I put out something good for you guys that can follow. So that way, you know, you have to do what works for you. I try to be all fancy. I do it out of the shower just so you guys can see the entire process from beginning to end. But as we can see, that clay didn't work out. It's not even slick. Like, it's not slick enough for me. I know how to do a sleek bun without the tension. So what I'm gonna do is basically, I'm not gonna shampoo my hair. I'm gonna just co-wash it. Get most of the, look at this, the sleek, like the sleek is there, and ignore the white stuff. That's the acne medication medicine, whatever you want to call it, that I have on my face. I went through a bad flare up. I had, I'm sure you can see the mark like right there. But this is not an acne video. So if you guys want me to talk about like my, you know, how I deal with my acne, what I do, what I wash my face with, let me know in the comments down below. If you struggle with acne, what I do, how I'm able to, you know, still maintain, you know, my little glow, or we should say oily skin. So anyways, let me hop into the shower, co-wash, mold my, and then I'll come out and mold my hair, and we're gonna redo this whole entire video. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me shut up. I talking too much. But anyway, that sounds crazy. Let me go in the shower, rinse, basically co-wash my hair, and we're gonna redo. But I love how my hair feels, even with all the gel I added. Like, look how soft it is. I can't do a length check, sorry, but you can basically see. So let me stop playing with my hair too much, and I'll be right back. All right, bye. My hair has already been prepped with the Melanin hair care products doing the LOC method. So all I have to do is apply the gel over top. So these are the finished results. I didn't even take pictures. The thumbnail pictures that you guys see is screenshot of this video. I wasn't feeling it, so stay tuned for the next video. I redid this whole entire style for you guys, added a little bit of flair at the end, so stay tuned for the next video. But I just wanted to show you guys that everything that I do, that you may do, may not turn out how you want it to turn out. So it's your job to keep going, keep at it, and try again. Keep trying, don't give up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and remember, you are beautiful and you are loved.